My name is Katie and I'm with Batson Design Company, and today I want to talk to you about making a mock-up in Design Space 3 for Cricut. And this is the mock-up image we're going to be working with. It's a canvas bag. You can purchase it at Hobby Lobby, so it's readily available to a lot of people in the United States, and it's on sale for $3 currently in our Etsy shop. And then we're going to be working also with one of our cutting files we sell. The image that we're going to place on the bag. Fall means football. It's also available right here in our Etsy shop for $2. So I already have Cricut Design Space open, and I'm going to click over here in it, and our design field's here. So how do we go about getting our SVG file and our mockup file into Design Space and put it all together so it'll be a cohesive look and ready to go into our shops? Well, first thing we're going to do is hit upload, and we're going to bring the mockup image into Design Space. And I'm going to hit upload image, browse. Now my image is on my desktop ready to go. So I'm going to select it here and hit choose. We hit complex image, continue, continue again because I don't want to erase anything here. And then I want to make sure I save it as a print and cut image, because if I saved it as a cut image, it would black out every image. I want to name my image mockup, and I want to tag it as mockup. So in the future, when I want to come back to it, I'm just going to search mockup, and it'll bring up all my mockup images for me, and I'll be ready to go. I'm going to hit save. And depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few minutes to save. It's a large image, so that's completely normal. It may take it a second. And if you are wanting to make a mock-up and you don't have Cricut Design Space, we also currently have 2 other videos for you to check out on our YouTube channel. One of them we talk about making mock-ups with Silhouette Studio, and then the other one we talk about making mock-ups in PicMonkey. Both of them are extremely easy to do. It's step by step, just like this video. So if you have any questions about that, or if you have any suggestions for a video you would like to see, maybe we're not touching base on what you're looking for, just let us know in the comments below and we'll try to get a video put together for you. And feel free to email us with any questions at batsondesigncompany@icloud.com, or visit us at Etsy and start a conversation with us. We have many more mock-up images available on our Etsy page. We have baby one-piece bodysuits, infant dresses, we have tank tops, long sleeve shirts, and we have plans in the future as we expand our studio to offer more adult tops. So if there's something in the shop we don't have, let us know and it may be possible to get it. Okay, our image is now uploaded successfully into our library. So here it is in recent uploads, and we're going to select it and hit insert image. This also may take a few seconds, and like I said previously, that's okay, that's normal. It's a large image, and it's just taking a minute to load in. You can see over here to the right that it is doing what it's supposed to do. It is loading. It's just taking it a little bit. I'm going to zoom out here so that I can size down the image once it gets in all the way. Make it more manageable and easier to work with. Zoom back in, move it up a little. Alright, now we have our mock-up image into Design Space, and now we're ready to add our cutting file to the product. So I'm going to hit upload again, upload image, browse. We're working with the fall means football file. This is Design Space, so we use the .svg file. Hit choose. And it's ready to put in. If you want to name it something else or put some tags on it so you can easily find it later, this is the point in time that you would do that. And then I want to hit save. It's now in my library. I'm going to select it and insert the image. Now at this point we can do a few different things with our mock-up. We can change the color. We can leave the color the same, or we can eliminate the leaves, keep the leaves. You can hide the leaves by just doing a little eye or ungrouping and deleting. I want to keep the leaves, so I'm going to put it back. I think I'll keep all the colors the same, but if you wanted to change the color, you just go over here and click to the right, and you could change the color, or you could, if you know the hex code, the color code for the color you're looking for, you just enter it in here. But we're going to leave the colors all the same, but I don't want to have these cut lines because right now it's ready to cut. We want it to look like it's going to look when we actually cut the file and press it on our bag. So I'm just going to hit flatten down here in the corner, and that will take all the cut lines away. And then I'm going to take my image and I'm going to center it up and size it down and adjust it. There we go. Adjust it to the correct size for our product. We want it to look as realistic as possible. So we're just going to turn it. And I'm going to keep turning it and sizing it down till I have it the way I would like it to look on my bag. The goal here is to make it look as closely as possible as how it'll look when you've cut it and you've pressed it on the actual product. So you want it to be a realistic size. So I've got my image how I want it to look on the bag. And now it's time that we add a watermark. If you don't have your watermark uploaded into Design Space already, you can do that now through the same process we just used to upload the photo. Mine is already in the library. I just uploaded it recently, so it's in my recent uploads. So I just hit upload again, and I'm going to select it right here, and I'm going to insert the image. You can either leave the color the same, or you can change it just like we did the other, like we had the opportunity to do down here with these colors. And I'm going to make it a golden yellow to complement my design and kind of put it on my bag here. This helps deter dishonest people from taking your photos. It won't cut down on it completely because there are lots of apps out there to erase these, but you know, it will help some. So, and plus, if someone shares your item on Facebook or Instagram and they see the watermark, they'll know where to look to come purchase the item. So then I'm going to select this whole thing here and hit flatten, and that will attach the picture and the design and the watermark all together, and now it's all one image. So now we're ready to get our mock-up image out of Design Space so that we can upload it to our websites. So you cannot save directly from Design Space to your computer. So you're going to have to take a screenshot of the image. That is the easiest way to get this image out of Design Space and ready to use. Now, depending on what type of computer you're using, you will have to know how to take a screenshot with your device. I'm using an Apple laptop computer, so how I take a screenshot may be different than someone who is taking a screenshot with a Windows-based system. So you'll have to follow your processes for using the snippet tool. But on an Apple-based computer, how we take a screenshot is we hit the keys on the keyboard, Shift, Command, and the number 4, and it's going to bring up this little tool, and it'll allow us to select the area we want the picture of. So I've selected my area, and it just took the photo for me. And I'm going to minimize this. And our screenshot is now here on my desktop, and it is ready to be uploaded to our websites and to sell our product. Like I said, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. Drop us a comment below, or send us an email, or reach out to us on Etsy. We'd be happy to help you any way that we can and answer any questions that you might have on the information we covered in the video. If there's a video we don't have that you'd like to see, send us an email and let us know, and we will try to get that taken care of for you. I thank you for watching, and I hope that you all have a great day.